In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your organization in Make.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open Make.com and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, make sure you're viewing the correct organization, the one you want to add the user to. If you manage more than one, double check the organization name in the header so you don't invite someone to the wrong place. On the left sidebar, look for Organization Settings. Instead of opening the full settings page, click the three dots right beside it. That expands a quick actions menu, which is the fastest way to send an invite without digging through multiple tabs. Choose Invite User. This opens the invitation form where you'll enter a few details. In the email field, type the person's work email carefully. This address is where the invitation will be delivered, so accuracy matters. A quick tip: avoid generic shared mailboxes when possible so each teammate has their own audit trail. Next, add the person's name. This helps everyone recognize who's who across projects and makes permissions and logs much clearer. Now select a role. Roles control what the new user can do. Pick the smallest set of permissions they need. For example, full administrative control for people who manage billing and users, edit access for builders who create and maintain scenarios, or view only for stakeholders who just need to monitor. You can always adjust the role later if their responsibilities change. Then choose the teams they should belong to. Teams help you group access by department or project so users only see what's relevant. You can add someone to multiple teams, and you can update team membership anytime as work shifts. There's also a note field. Use this to provide context for the invite, like which project they're joining or any onboarding pointers. Keep it concise and avoid sensitive information. Think of it as a quick heads up for the recipient and your admins. When everything looks good, click Save. That sends the invitation immediately, and you'll see the user listed as pending until they accept. Let them know to check their inbox and spam folder just in case. That's it. You went to Make.com, opened the quick menu, sent an invite, added the essentials, set the right access, and saved. Follow these steps each time you onboard a teammate to keep your organization clean, secure, and ready to build.